Good morning, it's October 31st, a Monday. We'll take a break till markets open. It's 8:30, the markets are opening, and we'll see if we get some volume. We have no volume showing up yet. Make sure I'm connected correctly. Show connection. We're on December TF. I don't see any movement in pricing. Something's not correct. Let me pause. This is totally bizarre because the dome shows the price hopping around and I show no price movement on my charts. Let's pause. Okay, we're back in business. I closed and opened Ninja. Let's take a look at the big charts. Here's 1597 coming all the way down and through a fib setting. I'll have to revisit that. 4181 shows coming down to 38. And I've got a potential reversal area marked at 50. 38 could bounce from there too. So we're looking for potential up here. Let's see what we see on the charts. Yeah, we got some bull flag on 377. Looks like another one on 610. Kind of a foot coming from underneath. A 987 on the rail down, so that's weak for 1597 with separation on 4181 and 10K. So we got a potential reversal here. Looking for a bar setup. Okay, we've had 4 closes in a row. In a bit of a wedge. Okay, we got a bit of a wedge here. Might have a breakout. This foot under 987 looks awfully tempting. We're still inside the wedge. Okay, we're in for a long on this breakout. The foot on 987 looks like it's starting to form pretty well. Coming to the rail on 233, getting some separation on 377. Got kind of a 3-bar slide down, so that's not too comforting. Short-term indicators look positive. Big charts are quite a bit under the center line, so should have reversion to mean helping us out. Oops, that didn't work out. That 3-bar slide, I think, was my indicator to exit, but I didn't pay attention. Let's take a pause till we see a setup. Okay, we've got a 2-bar reversal here. But I'm not given enough support to show that that's not enough information to know that that's a good long. That darn 987 foot looks really tempting. Okay, here we go again. Went for that trade on the 2-bar reversal. Again, we're coming up from underneath at 38 fib on 4181. Oh boy, knocked me out again. So we're getting into a chop mode here. Here looks like a reverse mid-band push. Kind of head and shoulders. But we're too close to my last 2 trades that didn't work out, so I'm going to take a little breather. Okay, I've labeled a 50 fib on a big chart, 10K right down here. I don't know if we'll get down that far. It's also the, yeah, so that's a good point of reversal. Let's take a extension here. So there's another potential reversal area at this 100. My first 2 trades, which were gifts, were going against the grain. That is, markets are down, and I took longs. Lesson to be learned. pause till we see a setup. Okay, we're getting a lot of separation on the small charts. Got a double top high, double top here. That's a deep retracement off of this recent. Looks like we got a short opportunity. Also some mid-band push. Okay, we're in for a short. A little bit late. Volumes are just sufficient. Alright, got taken out. I'm feel like I'm definitely trading with the herd. It's not working out. Let's see what that retracement was. Wasn't quite to the deeps, so I didn't have a marker here. And that's my third gift of the day. Not a good day for trading for me. Okay, we're underneath on the 1597, coming up from underneath, so that's a sign of a long. Got a bounce on the 233. We are just closed above the 38 fib on the 4181 chart. Looks like we're getting another wedge here. I like that bounce. And that foot on 987 is finally coming to the rail. So I think we're in for a long. Oh, we have a double top. So we got some contradictions in what's going to happen. I think it's a long. Of course, everybody in the world's thinking it's going to be a long, so that's putting me with the herd. Coming up to resistance on the 233. Got some separation on 144. Smaller charts, 233 starting to roll over. 610 showing separation. 987 on the rail. still haven't gotten up to the 23 fib. Let's pause for a setup. Looks like we're coiling for a move. Got quite a line of resistance here. Looks like we're coming down. Got a 3-bar reversal. $6.10's not buying it yet. 3-bar slide rather. Okay, I was late on that one. Came back up and filled it. A bit of a weak V on the 233. 144 is coming down sharply. So I think we're going down. Oh boy. I am getting sucker punched today. Oh brother. Let's take a pause. Well, it looks like I had a good call for a short. I just didn't get in on the edge. I'm not thinking in terms of the edge. I'm thinking in terms of the validation that we have a move, and you know that gets you in late. A note about the edge. Here's a marker for 76, a deep retracement. A lot of times our prices are not getting all the way up to the deep retracement, so let's keep that in mind. Don't necessarily have to get to the deep retracement when you should start looking for a bar setup. I don't see any real distinctive bar setups here, so the market's pretty tricky, and it's easy to get taken in, become part of the herd. Okay, so for example, here's the deep retracement. May not get to that. We may get to that, the deep retracement on this up move, and look for a reversal, because we still have down on the big charts. Could be forming a foot here on 987. Got tons of separation on the small charts. Okay, now we have reached our target, our area, so it's time to sell for those who are bold. I'm not that bold without a bar setup. Could get a double top here. That would be nice. Volumes are just sufficient. Okay, not quite a 2-bar reversal. Could get a 3-bar slide here. Okay, we got good separation. We're in an area. You know, got a kind of a double top there. Volumes are still on the up. Now we've got a double top. lots of separation. Okay, we're going to try this. Place our stop above the 3 bar. Okay, I've got taken out again, yet another gift. So I'm just not with the flow today. There is a flow. Seem to be in another channel up here. Got a bounce on the 144 BBs. That's often an indicator of more up. Okay, we're coming to a double top. We're right at this double top, and we pop through. Let's take out this. Let's see how we're doing on this larger chart. Come up to another area. Okay, we're approaching this 23 fib. Got tons of separation, but you know, we made a note recently that the separation these days can seem to go on forever. Okay, we're right in the area, and we blasted through it. Okay, we got a 2-bar reversal. Looks like it's going to happen. Okay, we got a mild 2-bar reversal, so I don't know about that. strong up, but I think we're going down. Now if I take this trade for a short here, I'll be with the herd, won't I? Coming up to resistance on 1597. Okay, could have taken it right there. Let's see what would have happened. Came back to the top of the Keltner. Looks like a pullback. Think we're going higher? Let's take a pause. Okay, I took a long. I see the price moving on the big charts all the way up to the 23 fib. I don't know if I can withstand the chop between now and then, but that's what I see happening. Got some pretty strong up indicators on 610, 987, coming to the rail on 1597, starting to curl up on 4181. So let's see if we can hang in there for a nice run. Our target is way up around 753.2, and here we couldn't stay in, getting in too late on these moves. It's got a strong V down, 233. Still got tremendous separation, coming to a pinch on 610. So I am just not getting this right today. Or if I am, it's too big picture. Can't stay in the chop far enough to make distance between my stop and the current price. Could have a reversal point here. Start moving back up down to the 38. Got a nice 2-bar reversal there. Could have be coming up to a reverse, to a mid-band push. Looks like we're going back up. Alright, we've got a long in place. Trying to make use of that triple bottom. Oh boy. Oh boy. Well, that's it for me for trading today. I have 5 gifts, and we'll see you tomorrow.